KONDOSAN.
Once upon a time, 3 little goats were camping. Athlete, genius, and stylish.
I'm so happy. It's a gorgeous day, nice breeze, sunshine, and crystal clear water. There are delicious and sweet strawberries on that island. I'll go there and get some for breakfast.
Are you going to be able to gather enough all by yourself?
Sure I can.
I bet you can't.
Yes, I can.
Do you want to bet?
Okay, what kind of bet?
We all go to the island, and the one who collects the most strawberries wins.
What's the prize?
Let's see. I've got it. The winner can take the eggs I brought.
Did someone say X?
You're on. The one with the most strawberries wins the eggs.
Wait! Genius and I are paired up. Athlete, you'll be by yourself.
Kids! It seems I can help you to solve that problem.
Where did you come from?
Oh, just was passing by. How about you two against Athlete and me? The winner takes all the eggs.
What do you say?
Yeah, I think it's fair.
Let the race begin!
The little goats and the wolf got in the canoes and started paddling. The goats were doing their best, but then the wolf...
Wolf, what are you doing?
I'm helping you win the race.
Stop playing around here and come here. Look, they're getting ahead of us.
It's not as easy as you thought. The eggs will be mine.
Athlete goat arrived at the island. She looked back to see where her siblings were. And saw they were clinging onto a rock.
Come on, let's collect the strawberries. Hey, where are you going? The strawberries are this way. Hey, come back.
Athlete quickly went back to the lake and saved her siblings.
I'm sorry. I never thought Wolf could do something like this.
It wasn't your fault, sister. Don't feel bad.
We won! 1 against 0. Where are my eggs?
You won by cheating. That doesn't count.
Why do you want the eggs when there are so many strawberries here?
Why? Because I will eat them.
You'll eat them?
You're free to take the eggs.
These are toys. I can eat them. You tricked me. I'm hungry. Don't talk to me ever. I don't even like strawberries.
Once upon a time,
Watch out! It's coming!
it was another morning on the farm, and the genius goat was using a new machine of his.
Coming!
But as always, the bad wolf was secretly watching him.
I can launch myself anywhere with this giant slingshot. For example, the chicken coop.
Genius Goat threw a lot of bales of hay that day, but he didn't see the wolf.
Coming! Huh? Wolf? Stop!
I'm coming! Coop, I'm coming. Wait for me. No, wait, stop!
Oof. Bad wolf! Are you happy? Now we are trapped in here.
How are we supposed to get down now?
Genius Goat had an idea.
Wait a minute. Oh no!
Although Genius Goat had a fabulous plan, he didn't have all the necessary materials.
Rope! We need a rope!
We are stuck here forever. What are we gonna do? Help! Help! Hey, is this long enough?
No, it's not long enough. We'll need much more than that.
That's okay. I have much more.
We are there. A little more. A little more.
Wolf and Genius Goat were finally on the ground. But the wolf wasn't getting out of the bucket.
I should leave before anyone sees me.
Yeah, right. Go ahead. Leave quickly. I'm not looking.
Then they heard a voice from afar. Coming!